So I'm here in Park Hills, Kentucky, and this is a little, it's not little, it's a medium size. It's a subdivision deck, what I call a little triangle subdivision deck. And we're getting ready to bring Kong Armor, the lifetime deck armor system, in here to do what we call peeling deck paint, lockdown, encapsulation. It looks to be some sort of semi-transparent stain, just some type of thin residential coating. The deck itself has never had its fasteners and its hairlines and all that encapsulated with a thick build, full-bodied coating system, which it's about to get. It's about to get all of its hairlines encapsulated, 80 to 90% of its fastener entry points. But the big thing here is peeling deck paint, lockdown encapsulation. Kong's the only lifetime deck armor system that exists on the planet that comes with lifetime limited warranty, lifetime service promise, and it has a special trait. It's able to encapsulate and lock down peeling deck paints without sanding, without any of that stuff. Look how gorgeous now. And look at the protection that Kong gives that you guys are not going to get with thin residential paints, thin residential stains, right? Look, we're going to talk about it real quick. Fastener entry points covered over. That's ultimate protection for your deck system. When you can get a coating system that'll fill in all your hairlines like this, okay? Cover over your fastener entry points where water cannot get to that metal and cause rust and corrosion, and then the rot process kick in. If you can get a coating system that can do that, like Kong, it's insanely valuable. You're talking about extending the life of a deck floor massively. This color here is called Canyon of Thieves. It's an ungodly gorgeous deck color, a grayish. Some people see a little bit of blue in it, some people see gray in it, but it's a very, very pretty deck color, right? So peeling deck paint lockdown here, fasteners covered over, splinter lock technology, all the frayed wood and splinters. UV block is here. The world's best UV deflectors are in the film of Kong. The rays will come down and hit this, deflect back up in the atmosphere. And the most important, maybe one of the most important things, is that we have Kong can elongate up to 300% and then contract right back down to size. So it's going to be able to keep up with this wood movement. Here's the outside of the triangle deck. Gorgeous. When you look at this band board, look, all these fasteners on this band board were open and exposed to the elements where they would rot, right? Or I'm sorry, where they would rust. Look at the fasteners now. All covered over, you know, all covered over. Maximum protection, deck post, silverback epoxy. We had large, giant cracks in this that went down the length of it. Silverback epoxy inside of here. Close this off. And there you go. That's the finished product. That's what it looks like once this is filled in. Now again, we'll come back over and we'll actually coat over top of this with our coating system. You'll never know, hardly be able to tell. You might see a small indentation or something, but you'll never really know that those cracks, those deep cracks, were there. Silverback is harder than concrete. You can take a knife, whatever you want, jab at that. That stuff's not coming out of there. Then we sealed these deck posts, all of them, where water, it's waterlocked. Water can't get down in there. There can't be mold and mildew that starts to grow down. Kong is the ultimate in protection for decks, docks, fences, outdoor structures. It's the only coating system in the world backed by a lifetime limited warranty locally and a lifetime service promise locally. Act now to get the world's toughest deck armor. Go to kongarmor.com and sign up for a free quote today. See